If I multiply a number by its inverse, I get 1. But what happens when we do the same thing with a matrix? Let's find out. The multiplicative inverse of a matrix A is another matrix, called A inverse, that gives the identity matrix when multiplied together. It's like dividing, but for matrices. Before finding the inverse, we need the determinant. For matrix with entries A, B, C, D, the determinant is AD minus BC. Think of it as a cross multiplication. Here is the inverse formula. Swap A and D on the main diagonal, then change the signs of B and C. Finally, multiply by 1 over the determinant. Let's try an example. Find the inverse of this matrix. First, calculate the determinant. 3 times 2 minus 1 times 5 equals 1. Swap 3 and 2. Change 1 to -1 and 5 to -5. Since the determinant is 1, this is our inverse. Simple. Now let's use the inverse to solve equations. Write this system as a matrix equation. A times x equals b. We need to find x. The determinant is 4 minus 3, which is 1. Swap 2 and 2 on the diagonal, negate 3 and 1. A inverse is 2, -3, -1, 2. Multiply A inverse by B. 2 times 8 plus -3 times 5 gives 1. -1 times 8 plus 2 times 5 gives 2. So x equals 1, y equals 2. Many students change the signs of the wrong entries. Remember, swap the main diagonal, negate the other two. Don't mix them up in your exam. Remember SND. Swap the diagonal, negate the others, divide by the determinant. Like cooking jollof, right steps, right order, perfect result, every time. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons just like this one. Visit ovasaabi.com and never stop learning.